Hi! In this video, you will learn about the Progressor, a very powerful component inside DoozyUI. Let's get started. A Progressor is a special component because it is present in a lot of the components that you will find inside DoozyUI. It helps you show a progress, and you can create a progress bar, progress indicator, show some text, and so on. And let me show you by doing so you understand how it works. Let's create a simple progress bar. And that's very easy. Let's create an image, and this will be my progress bar. Actually, let's create an empty game object, and then we create the images. And let's parent two images inside of it. So this is one. And this will be my background. And let's duplicate it, and this will be the bar. Okay, let's stretch it a bit. And let's say the background should be a black with a transparency. And the foreground, let's make it maybe a blue, a bit lighter. Something like that. Okay, now let's set an image for both of them. And let's select a square. Let's say this one. And let's set the bar to filled. And here we say horizontal. Okay. Here I think this should be a bit stronger, so we can see the background. So this is a simple progress bar. I think the color is not right. Yeah. Okay. So now we have something that looks like a progress bar. So two images, and this one is filled. How can we make it into a progress bar? Well, that's very simple. On the bar component, we add a progress target image. So progress target image. And this will update this fill amount automatically. You don't have to do anything. And on the progress bar, let's add a progressor. Of course, you can also create a progressor, right-click, Doozy, progress, and you create a progressor. Same thing. We just attach the script here. Now, in order for this to update anything, you need to give it its progress targets. So right-click, and we drag and drop the bar. And believe it or not, now it's working. So check it out. Now we can update the progress bar. We can simulate it, let's say in 2 seconds, how it will look. So this is how it will look when it's running. We can animate the value. Let's say animate to 0.8. And it animates in 0.5 seconds. Let's say animate with an outback to 0.2. Notice the ease. Animate to 0.8 again. There you go. So you can see you can create a lot of things with this. 0.2. There you go. Let's leave it to linear for now. And set value to 0. And this is the progressor. Now let's see. Okay, I have a simple progress bar. How can I use it? Well, let's connect it to our UI view. Let's where is it? Here. So whenever we're showing this UI view, let me change the background to opaque. Whenever we show this UI view, let's update this progress bar. How do we do it? Well, we drag and drop the progressor here, and we update on hide. And let's check it out. That's it. Notice when we will hide, it animates. Let's show it. It gets updated. Let's even select the progress bar so you can see it live. If the animation is a bit longer, let's say show view should happen in 3 seconds. I know it's a bit much, but you will see that the show animation will take a bit longer. So 3 seconds. Check it out. And done. So you see when you change this, it also affects the progressor. And you can even say, okay, I want to add some text to this. Very easy. Again, we select the progress bar. Let's add a simple text right here. Let's say progress value so we know how it looks. Let's make it a bit bigger. Come on. Okay. I know it's not that pretty, but hey, it's very fast. And let's add a component. And this time we will use a progress target text. And here we want to use the progress value, whole numbers, and we want to use the multiplier. And let's link it to our progress bar. Let's add another progress target. And believe it or not, again, you're done. There you go. One component to rule them all. Let's press play and check it out. 100%, 0%. How about we do something even crazier? Let's add a text mesh pro this time. So UI, text mesh pro, because I have it enabled. Let's copy this component's values, paste component values. Again, let's auto size, right click. I know it's not pretty, but I'm just showing you how this works. And again, add progress target, text mesh pro. Again, use multiplier. So we multiply the progress. So it's not 0.01, it's 1%. Or 0.1, it will be 10%. And you can even say progress. Check it out. And now we have a prefix and the text. And again, we go to the progressor, we add one more progress target, drag and drop, and believe it or not, now it works. Let's make the text a bit smaller. I went a bit overboard with it. I'm just eyeballing it, so yeah, I don't really care how it looks. So you can see that you can create any type of progress bars. Let's say I also want a circle. Let's close this and back. Check it out. And let's say, okay, I also want to, I don't know, animate another image. So let's add a UI image, and this time let's make it a circle. Really, it's so easy. Let's select a bigger circle. And again, field. This is a radial, so I want it to be loaded like that. Yeah. Again, add component, progress target image, add it to the progressor, drag and drop. Where is it? This is the circle. And let's link it here, plus circle. Check it out. Again, it works. How about we duplicate that? We make it a bit, where is it? Let's make it bigger a bit. Come on. And let's change its color to maybe, I don't know, something like that. And this will load like this. And let's just change the direction, maybe from the top. Yeah, let's do it like that. Again, it has a progress target. Let's link it here and check it out. Let's see it in action. So you see how fast I'm doing this in just a few seconds. And I'm also going to show you some complex components, some complex interactions with it. So again, there you go. I just did that with a few clicks. It's stupid easy. And now let's go even crazier and make a freaking animation. Yeah. So I'm gonna create a empty game object and this is in my progress animation. Okay. And let's make it to fill the screen and check it out. Let's add some images. And I'm just gonna mess around with it. Actually, yeah, let's put it like that. Just so we're messing with it. And now let's create an animation. Let's add an animator. And let's create an animation. Let me bring this here. Create new animation. And this is my progress animation. And now let's animate it. So let's say when these are at, I don't know, 45, it really doesn't matter. Check it out. So now this is my animation. Oh, I messed it up a bit. I want to change this. 0, 0, 0. And at 40, let's say 1, 1, 1. So this is my animation. And I'm going to say at 10, let's bring this here. Let's bring this 20. And this at 30. And yeah, let's move this a bit. You'll see in a second why am I doing this. So this is my animation. Did I mess up? Yeah, I did a bit. So this will be my number 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So this is the first one. And this is the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So check it out. You see this? This is your animation. And let's go to our animator window. So we can do something very simple. Let's select this. And this is our animation. I'm gonna set I'm gonna add a parameter, and I'm gonna say, what did I do here? Parameters, add a float, and I'm gonna say progress. And here, in the normalized time, I'm gonna select the progress. Now, one more thing, the animation, where is it? Needs not to be looped. So you disable loop animation. And now, let's, on this animator, let's exit the preview mode. Here on this animation, let's add a progress target animator. And let's link it to our progress bar, our progressor. Plus, where is it? Come on, here. Now, this will not update in the editor because of how Unity works. But let's enter play mode and you will see something very nice. You can scrub through the animation. Check it out. Notice something? This is your animation. How about we do some changes to the animation? Let's come here. Let's add some stuff. So here, let's say I want this to be, where is it? I want this to be filled. So here I want, where is it? Number 1. Yeah, come here. Here I want number 2. And there you go. So I just changed the animation and check it out. And it's all controlled by a progressor. There you go. How about we add some more things? Let's say after this has been shown, let's record this and let's go to 1. And let's say rotate from here. Let's add some rotation. Let's say 0. And here we'll say 360. So check it out. Let's also change the color. From here, we say it's color white. And by the time it gets here, let's make it red. Yeah, I'm just doing it for one of them. Let's press play and check it out. So you can do any type of progress bar imaginable. Yeah, there you go. And all is done by, let's change the time. So let's make the animation a bit slower. Again, let's say 5 seconds for the show animation. And now check it out. Everything gets updated with a simple Progressor script. This does all the job. Check it out. Look how everything is animated with a single script. And now I told you that I'm going to show you some crazy examples. You also can find those examples in the package. So let's go to Doozy, examples, scenes, and let's go for Progressor, this one, Progressor landscape. Let's check it out. And here, let's enter play mode and see some progressors. And here we have a slider. There you go. This is done with that system. And trust me, it's very, very easy. Just look at how they're linked, because it's very easy to do. These are just some images. There's nothing really. It's only one progressor to rule them all. Yeah. And now let's see a even more advanced implementation for the progressors. This is a 3D scene. Check it out. Again, we use progressors for a lot of stuff. So let's maximize. These are all progressors. This is controlled by progressors. Even the music. Check out the fade. Again, this animation, controlled by progressors. World visibility, controlled by progressors. HUD layout. This is controlled by progressors. Check it out. Even this is a progress. This is the sum of all of these progressors. Yeah. Just look through this scene and you'll see a lot of beautiful stuff. Okay, that's it for the Progressor. It is a very powerful component and you will see a lot of tutorials about it on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.